Hello, I'm David, a technician at AVARigs Custom Computers, America's leader in custom computing solutions and home to over 20,000 unique component options. And today, we're looking at this mini PC. Now, this might look a little weird to you because the Fractal Terra doesn't normally come in this, but this is a custom painted version. Now, the customer selected Arcade White in a gloss finish for this, and we're gonna deep dive a little more into this on this week's AVARigs. Now, because it doesn't have integrated graphics, it's going to have the brand new SAPPHIRE Radeon 9070 Pulse. For RAM, we're going to have 48 gigabytes of 7,000 megatransfers per second RAM. It's very fast RAM at a CL32. For storage, we're looking at a 500 gigabyte NVMe from Mushkin, as well as a 1 terabyte SATA SSD from Samsung. For cooling, we just have a pretty basic cooler from Thermalright, the AXP90-53. That's just going to be a really low profile cooler, which for this 6-core Ryzen should have no problem whatsoever. For the power supply, we have a 650 watt gold rated unit from FSP. For cosmetics, the customer did select a Corsair Lighting Node Pro, and that's where you're going to see these RGB strips as well. For the OS, they went with Ubuntu. Just a standard Linux install. Ubuntu is one of the more common ones that we see, but we do offer some alternatives like Fedora, Debian, things like that. So let's go more into the paint. So obviously, again, Fractal Terra does not come in white or gloss, but I think with the wood finish on the front, I think it looks fantastic. You know, I would love for them to do a real pale white with the walnut finish on the front. Now, I had to tear this case down in order to get it painted, and it was actually a breeze to tear down. A lot of these cases that we do custom painted, we have to basically completely disassemble it, drill out the rivets, tear it down, and then reassemble it. This has no rivets in it whatsoever. All this goes together with just standard coarse and fine thread screws. So it was fantastic. I would love to do this case again because I think that this finish looks cleaner than anything that comes from the factory. I mean, it's just beautiful. Now, if you are interested in getting a system custom painted, because not everyone just wants a normal black or white system, some people want a blue or a pink or a green system. Go ahead, go to aviadirect.com and check out our configurator. You can add custom paint in the configurator. Or if you'd like, you can also contact sales if you want something a little more in depth. Let's say instead of a gloss finish, you want a matte finish, or you want something like a custom paint color or something that doesn't exist. We can do all that. So just go ahead and contact our salespeople, tell them what you want, and we will make that happen. This is just a great looking system. I would have this on my desk. I would put it right to the right side of that. I'd be proud to have something that looks this good on my desk. Again, with the wood walnut aesthetics, I mean, again, I think it looks really good. Wood is in right now. You're getting a lot of people, a lot of case companies releasing cases with wood accents, and they're pretty popular. Fractal North was sold like hotcakes. And Antec Flex Pro is another one. That's actually a surprisingly good case from Antec, who hasn't really done anything in several years. So to drop a case like that, which is so good, is quite impressive actually. For the wood finish, no, the Terra. So the Terra comes in what are the colors? I think it's called silver. It's silver, jade, and graphite is the colors, and they're all matte finishes. Silver is just like obviously it's a lighter silver, almost like an aluminum kind of color. Jade is like a greenish, and then the graphite is just a dark, like almost like, it's not black, I'd say it's like a dark gray, but all of them come with the same walnut finish. If you want a different finish, I believe the North, you could also get that in an oak finish for the North, but not the Terra. The Terra only comes in walnut. Thank you for watching this week's AVARigs. If you liked it and you want to see some more, go ahead, give us a subscribe and comment down below what color case would you have painted? We also have a giveaway going on with our partner Corsair. Giveaway will be down in the description, and you should definitely enter that because that's a fantastic computer, and I know because I built it. Once again, my name is David, and I'll see you next week.
If you like the PC in the video, be sure to contact our sales team by emailing sales@aviatrock.com or head to the website by clicking the link within the description below. You can choose from many pre-built options, gaming or workstation based, or use the configurator to build the PC of your dreams. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so you can be notified of future content, and give the video a like in support of our channel. You can follow the variety of our social media channels by visiting aviadirect.com/community, and you can also join our Discord if you wish to engage in discussions related to custom-built PCs.